My name is Chris Flood and I'm the Director of Inspired Projects Limited. I'd like to introduce you to one of our latest completed projects here on Bluff Hill in Napier. This journey for us started in late 2020 when we were introduced to this project by our friends at Atkinson Harwood Architecture. It was one of those plans that as a builder makes you excited and nervous at the same time. Excited because it was an incredible design and something that we would love to build, but nervous because you could see right away that there was going to be many challenges. There was an existing 120-year-old home on the site that our clients initially looked into restoring and carrying out an extensive renovation on. But on further investigation, it was found that the foundations were structurally unsafe and unworkable. Plus the house had undergone multiple poor quality renovations over the years, and the only remaining features of the old house were on the front facade. So the decision was made to remove the house and start from scratch. Due to the unstable foundations and steepness of the site, the house had to be removed by hand, as getting a machine on site was just too dangerous. Once the old house was removed, it uncovered some major issues with the building site that were not visible with the house in situ. The old retaining walls that were holding up the site had severely deteriorated over the years and were even not existent in places. This meant the project had to go on hold for 6 months while engineers were engaged to carry out geotech testing and design a retaining wall that would be sufficient to retain the building site and the additional loads imposed on it by the new design. The new design involved excavating over 30 pile holes, some with a depth of up to 7 metres, then craning in steel channel beams as poles, some of which were up to 9 metres in length. This was an incredibly challenging process in itself, as we had to carefully plan a sequence to get the excavator on and off the site safely. Due to the narrow street above, we had to book in and align road closures and traffic management. Before we could pour the concrete footings, we have had to have engineers inspections and council inspections. We've had to hydro excavate water from the deep holes. We were fortunate to work together with some great skilled contractors in order to achieve all of this and get this home out of the ground safely. Once the retaining walls and the foundation pads were completed, it was time for the steel structure to be installed by Red Steel. This was a real milestone stage in the project, as we were now out of the ground. Over the next 9 months, our team and subcontractors worked tirelessly through the framing, cladding and fit out of this build. A collaborative approach with the architects at Atkinson Harwood Architecture, lighting designers at Moth Light, and interior design by Design Front made for a smooth process and a beautiful, functional home as an end result. Throughout this project, we have endured COVID-19 lockdowns, material supply shortages, increased material costs and Cyclone Gabrielle. It has certainly tested us at times, but it is a home that we are incredibly proud to have built. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank our incredible team who built this house, our subcontractors, the consultants involved, but most importantly our clients. They had trust in us from the beginning, and despite the raft of hurdles I just mentioned, they continued to be patient and supportive of us throughout the entire build process. Thanks for watching.